Meaning of gram flour.
Gram flour.
Gram flour.
Gram flour.
Gram flour. Gram flour, also known as besan or chickpea flour, is a type of flour made from ground chickpeas. It is a staple ingredient in many South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisines, and is commonly used in dishes such as pakoras, bhajis, and Indian-style pancakes. The flour has a nutty flavor and a slightly grainy texture, making it a versatile ingredient for both sweet and savory recipes. Gram flour is also known for its high protein content, making it a popular ingredient for vegetarian and vegan diets.